Hey, what up guys? On today's video, I'm gonna show you how to factory reset your JBL Charge 3. But before we do that, let's go over with the buttons and how it works. So you got power button. So this is minus to turn it down. This is plus to turn it up. And then you got the play one. And then as you can see, this is the Bluetooth. So what you're gonna do first is you're gonna turn it on. Show it right here. Turn it on. So you're gonna hear that sound. So now this plus button, show it right here. This plus button and the play button, you're gonna hold it down at the same time for like 10 seconds. It powers off. So it means you're good. Then you're going to turn it on. Okay. So now you can pair. Okay. You hear that sound? So it means your factory reset. You can pair it up to your phone, computer, whatever you like to pair it up. Thank you.